Ooh, that's warm. Fresh coffee. You're gonna enjoy this, and then we're gonna get to work on that. I have a problem with it. Problem is, the valve stem leaks air, and after about a day, maybe two, I'm probably down like 10 psi. I know where the problem is. It's not the tire, it's not the bead, it's the valve stem. Valve stem's leaking. So I'm gonna attempt to not remove the tire, but change the valve stem. Let's see how that works out. Here, I'll throw my Instagram like right in here. So my plan is to not take the tire off the rim, but I'm still going to be able to change that valve stem out. Yes, I can do this. Also, you're going to have to excuse any background noise. I have this going on out there. Well, thanks for tuning in to the RideOn2 Garage. I am Chris, your host, producer, editor of this whole shit show. See you guys next time, but until then, remember my 3 rules: ride safe, have fun, keep the shiny side up. Talk to you guys later. Somewhere down in here is a like button. Throw a couple of my other videos over here so you can keep watching. Subscribe if you want. If not, don't. But please do! Again, thanks for tuning in.